Welcome to another ThemeMountain video tutorial. This is part 1 of Parallax sections, and in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to set up the Parallax section, add an image, and go through some basic options. So I have my section block set up here. I'm just going to go ahead and add my Parallax section. When I do, I'm presented with a range of different options here. I'm just going to run through them quickly. The first is the image here, so I'm going to go ahead and add one. I'm using an image that's 2500 by 1000. And then we have the column width and the column offset. I won't go much into detail here because this relates to adding captions and content. But I will say this determines the parallax content width and the parallax column offsets. Then we have the height. It defaults to small, which is 500 pixels. The window height, which assumes the height of the device window. Auto clears the height of the parallax section and allows it to scale to the content. And custom is if we want to use our own preferred height. Then we have the fade in and fade out option for the parallax section. And this determines whether the section should fade out and in as it enters or exits the viewport. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and deselect this. Then in the design options, we have the caption horizontal alignment. This can be left, center, or right, and again this determines the alignment of any content that we add. So I'm just going to leave that for now, text color as well. What I will change though is the overlay background color. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to black. I'm going to go ahead and change the opacity here. Right, so I'm pretty happy with that. The animation tab, same thing. This relates more to the content that we add, so I won't be touching upon that right now. Right, so I'm pretty happy with my settings here. I'm going to go ahead and save this, update it, and we can see what this looks like. There we go, so I have my full width parallax section here with a darker overlay. We can just switch to window height here to see what that looks like. And then we can also select the fade in, fade out option here. Now obviously, as I don't have enough content, we won't see it fade out entirely, but it will fade out entirely as you scroll or get closer to the end of the viewport, as we can see there. And that's all for this tutorial.